Hey everyone, Vinayak here. My son has to attend classes online and the Jabra wireless earbuds he's using gets uncomfortable after a few hours. So I got him a new pair of headphones. These are the One Audio Studio Pro 10 headphones. These are wired and they're not very expensive. So let's check out how good they sound. So this is the One Audio Studio Pro 10 DJ headphones. I wanted a pair which are affordable and also has good audio quality. The reviews on Amazon were very good and I have to test the quality out more for myself. We have the Hi-Res audio certification. Not sure how legit this is. In order to be certified Hi-Res, the bookshelf speakers or headphones must be capable of reproducing frequencies up to 40,000 Hz or above. The specs behind the box shows 20 to 40 kHz frequency range, so I'm hoping for the best. It uses 50mm neodymium drivers, which is good for clear audio. So we have two cables, one is 3.5 to 3.5 mm and the other one is 3.5 to 6.35 mm. A manual is also present and has instructions in multiple languages, and the print quality is really good. A nice PU bag to keep your headphones safe. We have the One Audio branding embossed on one side. They should have not added the warranty information on the bag, it's spoiling the look. But the bag feels good. Opening it up, we have the headphones within. Wow, these look way better than what I expected. And they have sufficient padding on each of the cups for comfort, and the chrome shell looks really nice. I'm happy it's not overdone. And these are over-the-ear headphones and should not hurt if worn for long periods. The ear cups look like they won't fit your ears within, but they sit perfectly and also provide passive noise cancellation to a limit. The construction is plastic, even the chrome sections, which is understandable considering the price. We have a 3.5mm jack on the right cup and a 6.35mm jack on the left. The cables are provided separately so that you can use the one that you need. The cups have these concentric circle designs with the logo in the center. Looks really nice. And the hinges look strong and the cups swivel 90 degrees and can fold down for storage. The left and right cups fold in, allowing them to be stored away in the bag easily. The headband has the One Audio logo on the top and a leatherette finish with really soft padding right under. I love the red stitching across the headband. It looks really premium. It has a metal strip running across the top which allows you to customize the length, allowing for more comfortable fit as per the size of your head. It's present on both sides. This is the 6.35 to 3.5mm cable meant to be used with professional equipment like DJ turntables, mixers, etc. And this is the provided 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable to be used with phones, and it has this small little controller over here which can be used to control the audio playback, pick or end calls, and a hole next to it is the microphone. This cable allows using the headphones to take and make calls, which is especially useful during this work from home times. While music is playing, you can control playback using this button here. A single tap is to play or pause, and a double tap is to move to the next track. And 3 times is previous track. Just plug in the cable type you need and connect the other end to the phone or other audio device. My phone uses USB-C, so I won't be able to plug it in, but it will work with my PC and iPad. The 6.35mm to 3.5mm cable seems to have good length, and you can daisy chain another headphone using the 3.5mm jack for shared listening on the headphone. The clamping force might be on the tight side. I have kept it little loose right now, and if you keep it too tight, your ears might hurt after a few hours as the pads do sit on them. They might slowly get more comfortable as you use them. Just extend the cups out if you don't want it to sit too tight on your ears. My son uses it at its maximum length. The padding on the cups are smaller than what I am been using on my Sennheiser headphones. They do keep your ears out at first, but slowly they do move in. So looks wise they are great. Now to test the audio quality. So I am connecting it to the 3.5mm jack we have on the cabinets, which should use the audio solution on your motherboard. Now let's test the audio, playing some music. Wow, it's quite good. The soundstage is smaller than my Sennheisers, but the instruments are clear, and these being touted as studio grade headphones, they generally have a flat frequency response, which seems to be accurate. And the sound is not totally flat and the bass is not very high, but is present. Instruments sound clear and so do the vocals, and they are clearly discernible. The highs, midtones and trebles sound really good, surprisingly. I'm spoiled by high-end earphones and they do have more separation and a wider sound stage, but the One Audio sound is balanced and there's no way that these would disappoint you at that price point. Let's test the microphone quality. This is the quality of the audio using the 3.5 to 3.5 mm jack. It uses a TRRS jack, so it might not work directly on a computer, but will work with phones and tablets with a headphone jack. The headphones, I think they can stretch out quite a bit and they would accommodate any big head. Mine is not, I guess mine is medium and they fit really well. I would say these sound way better than Bluetooth headphones or earphones at this price range, and honestly, they are really good. In my opinion, the One Audio is a good headphone for the price, which is Rs 2199, as long as you understand what you're getting. For general music consumption, it's great. It has a solid bass response and good quality, and it's also comfortable to wear. How long you can wear them would depend on your ear shape. I like the way it folds up when not in use, and the PU pouch is a great add-on. The ear cup padding is fine and was comfortable enough. But if you want more padding, there is a higher end model which has more. And do note, the studio and DJ in the name is a little misleading. I would not recommend it for mixing or mastering, but as I said, for normal music, online classes and video consumption, they offer good value. We do get Bluetooth earphones at this price, but the sound quality, these are really good. And with no compression, as the audio is not sent wirelessly, we get even more quality audio. I was skeptical of the reviews on Amazon, but I'm glad I chose these in the end. Link to the product can be found in the description if you would like to pick one up for yourselves. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.